Are you looking for a way to purchase your favorite products but at cheaper price? Well, today we will see how we can do exactly the same using Klarna. So for that you need to search for Klarna on Google. After that, open up the very first link that you will see, and it is not available in all the countries, but there are so many countries that it is available on, and these are the markets Klarna is available in. Just choose yours, and after that you would be able to open up their official website, and over here you will get more than 3 million products from 6,000 stores. So that's a lot, and you will be able to find your favorite products but at cheaper price. And the categories over here are health, clothing, toys, home, you name it, and the category is already there. But how do we do it? So for that you need to sign up for an account, and just click on sign up. After that, if you don't have an account, make sure you create an account. Let's see how we can do that. Click on create account. After that, you would have to provide your phone number. After logging into your account, just choose any product that you want to purchase. Suppose you want to purchase this PlayStation. Just click over it, and when you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see two options over here, where you will see only items which are in stock, and also it will include the price of delivery if you select this option. And this way you would be able to see all the options for this particular product. Just look at it. The range is $3.99 to $8.99. That's almost double the difference of the price that you get from Amazon, and the comparison that you get on this particular platform is astonishing. So suppose you were to buy it from Walmart, you would be getting it for $6.42, the same product, and for the same product you would pay just $3.99 at Amazon. It is all possible because of this platform. So just choose any product of your choice that you want to purchase, and it is a great platform for that. And this is how you would be able to add any particular product to your cart and then just purchase it. There are plenty of options to choose from, and just explore it. You would be able to get good deals. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.